Right now, inside your body, nearly every cell is waiting for something, not food, not oxygen, water. Water makes up roughly 60% of the adult human body. Your brain is mostly water. Your blood is mostly water. Your muscles, organs, and tissues all depend on water to survive. Yet millions of people spend much of their day mildly dehydrated without even realizing it. So, what actually happens when you finally give your body enough water? What changes inside your heart, your brain, your kidneys, your blood, and your trillions of cells? Today, we're taking a journey inside the most important machine you'll ever own, the human body. And we're about to watch what happens after a single glass of water. The story begins with a sip. As water enters your mouth, thousands of salivary glands become active. Although water doesn't need digestion like food, your body still begins preparing it for transport. The water travels down your esophagus, a muscular tube connecting your mouth to your stomach. Within seconds, it arrives. But unlike a cheeseburger or a slice of pizza, water doesn't stay here for long. It quickly moves through the stomach and into the small intestine. This is where the real magic begins. Tiny structures called villi line the walls of your intestine. Think of them as millions of microscopic absorption stations. These structures pull water directly into your bloodstream. Within just a few minutes, that glass of water begins spreading throughout your entire body, like a delivery truck carrying supplies to billions of destinations. And every organ is waiting: your heart, your brain, your kidneys, your muscles, your skin, even the trillions of microscopic cells that make up your body. All of them rely on water. All of them are about to receive exactly what they need. Let's visit your bloodstream. Many people imagine blood as a thick red liquid, but blood is actually more than 50% water. The liquid portion of blood is called plasma, and plasma is mostly water. Every second, blood races through roughly 60,000 miles of blood vessels inside your body. That's enough blood vessels to circle the earth more than twice. This transportation network delivers oxygen, carries nutrients, removes waste, supports immune function, and helps regulate body temperature. When you're dehydrated, your blood becomes more concentrated, thicker, harder to move. Imagine trying to pump syrup through a garden hose. Now compare that to pumping water, which requires less effort. The same thing happens inside your body. When you drink enough water, blood volume improves. Circulation becomes more efficient. Oxygen travels more easily. Nutrients move faster. Waste products are removed more efficiently. And your heart doesn't need to work as hard. Your body becomes a better transportation network. Every organ benefits. Every tissue benefits. Every cell benefits. Now let's visit one of the hardest working organs in your body, your heart. Your heart beats approximately 100,000 times every day, more than 35 million times every year, and over the course of a lifetime, billions of times, without breaks, without vacations, without sleep, every second of your life. When dehydration occurs, blood volume drops. This forces your heart to work harder. Heart rate often increases. The body attempts to maintain blood pressure. It's a little like trying to water a large garden with less water in the tank. The pump must work harder, but when you drink enough water, the burden eases. Blood moves more efficiently. Circulation improves. The cardiovascular system functions more smoothly. Your heart appreciates every glass of water you drink, even though you'll never hear it say thank you. Think about that for a moment. A simple glass of water may help support an organ that literally never stops working, not once, from the day you're born until the day you die. Now let's travel upward to the command center, your brain. Although your brain represents only a small portion of your body weight, it consumes enormous amounts of energy. And it depends heavily on water. Your brain is approximately 75% water. Every thought, every memory, every emotion, every decision depends on a vast network of neurons communicating with each other. These neurons send electrical signals constantly, trillions of messages every day. Even mild dehydration can affect cognitive performance. You may notice difficulty concentrating, brain fog, fatigue, reduced alertness, slower thinking, short-term memory challenges. That's because brain cells rely on a carefully balanced environment to communicate effectively. Water helps maintain that balance. When hydration improves, communication becomes more efficient. Many people experience improved concentration and mental clarity, not because water is a miracle cure, but because the brain functions best when properly supported. Imagine trying to run the world's most advanced supercomputer while slowly cutting off its resources. Performance drops. The same thing happens inside your head. Hydration helps keep the system running smoothly. If hydration had a headquarters, it might be your kidneys. These two fist-sized organs work non-stop, every minute, every hour, every day. Their mission is simple: filter waste, maintain balance, protect your body. Each day, your kidneys process enormous amounts of blood. They remove waste products, regulate minerals, control fluid balance, and help maintain healthy blood pressure. They are among the most remarkable filtration systems in nature. When water is abundant, the kidneys operate efficiently. Waste products are diluted. Urine flows normally. The filtration system runs smoothly. But when water becomes scarce, the kidneys switch into survival mode. They conserve every drop possible. Urine becomes darker, more concentrated. The body prioritizes water preservation. It's an incredible adaptation, a built-in emergency response system. But it's not the mode your kidneys prefer to stay in long term. The kidneys are constantly monitoring your internal environment, constantly making adjustments, constantly working to keep everything balanced, and adequate hydration makes their job much easier. Now let's zoom in, weigh in, past organs, past tissues, past blood vessels, down to individual cells. Your body contains roughly 30 trillion cells. Every one of them requires water. Water transports nutrients, removes waste, supports chemical reactions, maintains structure, helps create energy, and supports life itself. Without water, cells struggle to perform their jobs. With proper hydration, they can operate efficiently. Imagine an entire city receiving power, fuel, food, maintenance crews, and clean water exactly when needed. That's what hydration helps accomplish inside your body. Every second, every minute, every hour, millions of cellular processes depend on water, without recognition, without applause. Yet these microscopic activities are what keep you alive. Hydration doesn't just benefit internal organs, it affects movement too. Your joints contain lubricating fluid. This fluid helps reduce friction, allowing bones to move smoothly against one another, whether you're walking, running, climbing stairs, or exercising. Your joints depend on this cushioning system. Muscles also rely heavily on water. During physical activity, water helps support muscle function and recovery. When hydration drops significantly, physical performance can suffer. Fatigue may appear sooner. Activities can feel harder. The body becomes less efficient. Your skin also benefits. Healthy hydration helps maintain normal skin function. While drinking water won't magically transform your appearance overnight, skin cells still depend on adequate hydration to function properly. Every movement, Every stretch, every step, every workout depends on water quietly doing its job behind the scenes. Now let's talk about temperature. The human body works hard to maintain a stable internal temperature. When temperatures rise or physical activity increases, your body activates one of its most important cooling systems: sweat. Sweat is mostly water. As sweat evaporates from the surface of your skin, heat leaves the body. This cooling process helps prevent overheating. It's an elegant biological solution. Without enough water, your body's ability to cool itself becomes less effective, which is one reason hydration becomes especially important during exercise and hot weather. The next time you notice sweat on your skin, remember, that's your body protecting itself, using water to help regulate temperature and maintain balance. Now imagine the opposite story. You ignore thirst, hour after hour, day after day. The body adapts, but adaptation comes at a cost. The brain becomes less efficient. The kidneys conserve water. The heart works harder. Physical performance declines. Fatigue increases. Headaches become more likely. Your body begins sending warning signals: dry mouth, dark urine, dizziness, fatigue, difficulty concentrating. These are not inconveniences. They're messages. Your body asking for help, your body asking for water, and the longer dehydration continues, the harder your body must work to maintain balance. Water is simple, common, ordinary, and yet it powers nearly every system keeping you alive. Your heart depends on it. Your brain depends on it. Your kidneys depend on it. Your blood depends on it. And the trillions of cells working tirelessly inside you depend on it. The next time you drink a glass of water, remember what you're really doing. You're not just satisfying thirst, you're supporting circulation, fueling your brain, helping your kidneys, supporting your muscles, protecting your joints, and delivering life-sustaining resources to trillions of cells. You're fueling one of the most complex biological machines ever created, the human body. What part of the human body would you like to explore next? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey inside the human body, subscribe and join us for the next episode. What happens inside your body? During a 30-minute walk, the things your body does during a simple walk are far more incredible than most people realize. Until next time, stay curious, because the most fascinating machine you'll ever study is the one you're living in right now.